you want to travel from Nigeria here down to the United States, or you want to travel from Nigeria here down to Australia, or any of those countries and stuff like that. You need to change your Nigerian currency into the currency of that particular nation that you're going into. So, in the process of you doing that, actually, you're trading forex. You are partaking in forex. But this time around is different from the forex trading. Like what I mean by the forex trading, which has to do with doing it as a business, whereby, like the word here, the forex trading is the act of buying and selling currencies in the forex market in order to make a profit. Then when you are traveling from one country to another, and then you are exchanging your currency, actually you're not aiming at making any profit or anything. But in forex, like in forex trading, the one that you and I want to partake into or want to do, it's the one that we are the sole aim is to make profits. So traders aims to predict the direction of currencies, exchange rates, and profits from the fluctuations in those rates. They try to predict. That's what we are doing. Actually, we are trying to predict based on past events that has occurred, and also based on that's taking information, taking data from past events that has occurred, looking at the current situation of the markets today, and then you can be able to predict what might happen in the next 1 hour, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, or 4 minutes, or 1 month, as the case may be. We have different types of traders that predict the market based on their style of trading. Like, for example, we have the scalpers, we have the swing traders, we have the position traders, and all that. So we have the intermediate traders too. That's the scalpers. They enter the market from now. They take 1 or 2 pips. That's enter the market within a short period of time, 5, 10, 5, 15, 30 minutes. They're out, and then they just collect the money. And scalpers, basically, they don't stay that long in the market. Why they don't stay that long in the market? They believe that when the market move a little, they can be able to make profit and they exit. And then intraday, they stay and they hold the trade within the day, like the name intraday. So they hold the trade within the day. They don't allow their trades to close, to stay over the next day. So they won't charge them for swap, as the case may be. So then we also have the swing traders. Swing traders, they'll hold their trades and for more than a day, two, probably a week, as the case may be. They will have position traders that they hold their trades for months and weeks and months and years and stuff like that. So that's how it is. So we have different types of traders, but we'll talk about that in another lesson. Okay. So you just have to understand that when you exchange your currency for another currency, you are actually trading forex. Then when you exchange it, and then let's say you now hold it and say, let's say for example now you hold it and you say you want it to move. Let's say for example you exchange naira to dollar. If for example you exchange $1 at the rate of, let's say, 700 naira per $1, you exchange it when you were in Nigeria, then you travel, you spend a vacation with your family. After a month or two, you decide to come back. Then you now have that same $1 in your hand, and then you decide to exchange it, and it now becomes 750 naira. So what it means is that you're making an extra profit of 50 naira, as the case may be. So let's move ahead. Now here we're going to be talking about what is traded in forex. In forex trading, a currency is exchanged for another at a specific exchange rate or price. You get that? In forex trading, a currency is exchanged for one another at a specific exchange rate or price. They have a specific amount. Like I said, $1 is equal to 700 and, let's say, 700 naira. You understand? 700 naira or $1 is equal to 1.20 euro, as the case may be, or €1 is equal to 0 point something dollar, as the case may be. So for example, the exchange rate between the US dollar and the euro might be 1.20 cents, 1.20 euro, which means that $1 can be exchanged for 1.20 euro. Let's check okay, we are going to check our MT4 for more examples, as the case may be. That's after now. Currencies are traded in pairs. with the most commonly traded currency pairs being the Euro USD, USD JPY, GBP USD, and USD CHF. Now, currencies are traded in pairs. Currencies are traded in pairs. They are not traded singly. Like, you can't just trade just euro. You will have to trade it with either pounds or with either USD. You know, you need to exchange your euro to USD if you're going to the United States, except maybe in some areas in the United States that they allow euro to be used in, maybe in the hotel or in fast food, or in some of these open restaurants and some of these places. So they will allow that to happen. But on the norms, you're supposed to exchange your euro to dollar if you're going to the United States, because that's the currency that they use in that country. So we have examples of pairs in, like, the Euro USD. We have the USD JPY. We have the GBP USD. We have USD CHF. You get to know all of those abbreviations, their full meanings and stuff like that. Now, when traders buy a currency, when traders buy a currency pair, they are buying the base currency and selling the quote currency. This particular area, most persons kind of like get try to find it difficult to understand, get some tweets about that particular area. For example, if a trader buys the Euro USD currency pair, they are buying euros and selling the US dollars. That's what it means. That's what it means. Let me take you to another page where you see what I'm trying to say. Okay, now let's say that we have this here. This is the euro on the left hand side, and then this is the USD on the right hand side. Now, when you buy, please take note. When you buy, let me change this to blue. When you buy, remember, you are buying the euro, because the euro is at the base side of the pair. The euro is at the base side of the pair. So when you are selling, take note. When you are selling, let me change the color of this. When you are selling, take note, you are actually buying the US dollar, which is at the quote side. This is a quote currency. Remember, anytime when you see a pair, the currency that is on the right hand side is known as the quote currency, while the currency that is on the left hand side is known as the base currency. So the USD is quoted to the euro, so it's a quote currency. Now, that's by the way. So now, another thing that I also have to pay attention to is we have what we call the bid price and the ask price, and then we also have what we call pips and spreads, as the case may be. And now, spreads, on the other hand, spreads here is the charge that the brokers charge you for trading this particular instrument. This is the instrument. Euro US is an instrument. Is what the brokers charge you for trading this particular instrument. For this example, the brokers are charging 2 pips. As time goes on, I will explain all of these things in detail, but let's just get this basic here so that it will help us for tomorrow, as the case may be. So the brokers charge you 2 pips here, which is what they are charging, 2 pips. For this particular trade, for this particular transaction. When we get into our MetaTrader 4, I'll show you different lists of currency pairs, and then you get to see all of them. Okay, let's just go down there into our MetaTrader 4 so that you see different lists of currency pairs. Okay, here we are on MetaTrader 4 right now. These are lists of different currency pairs. Now that we are here, we have what we call this first one here. Let's use this. If you click on it, you go to symbol properties. This is the MetaTrader 4. This particular platform is called the MetaTrader 4 MT4. So when you click on this, you need to download this particular app. It's on the Play Store. Just go to the Play Store, you type MetaTrader 4, so you download it there. It's at the Play Store. And then if you're using iOS device, it's on your App Store, Apple Store. So I don't know if I think they remove MT4 on App Store. I don't know, but I think so. So now I've clicked